Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Now, if you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, in case maybe you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, but does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video, let's just call it Sunday, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, for those of you that watched the previous video I did, I talked all about this 9,300 mark as, being an area of resistance, and I mean, you just can't make this stuff up. The power of charts. There's been a bounce, but you can see that the bounce literally has stopped right now at 9,300. Now, this is where I'm a little jealous of those of you that maybe are watching this Sunday afternoon, because you're going to have a much better idea of what happens here. And this is the first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just use that Sunday hour time frame. And let's say you're watching this, Sunday, afternoon, for example. Question number one that you need to ask yourself is, well, what is the price currently doing? Where's the price at relative to 9,300? If you're answering the question that the price is up above 9,300, well, that implies that, this bounce has not only bounced, but has continued to bounce in a very strong way. Now, from, if you are answering the question that the price is above 9,300, at that point, it's a matter of gut instincts, common sense, meaning the further the price is up above 9,300, the more bullish the situation has become. So from that angle, truly nothing complicated at all. The higher above 9,300 the price is, that is just more bullish, the weekend, has played out to be. Now, on the flip side of things, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is still down below 9,300. That doesn't necessarily mean anything bad, but the next question you would want to ask yourself is take an inventory check of, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that 200 period moving average on my chart being denoted there by that pink line? And for that value, just use 86.50. So again, if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is down below 9,300. Next immediate question, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 86.50 right there? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below there, well, then that would imply that over the course of the weekend, the price has not only rolled back over to those lows, but really just continue to get that much more downside continuation, which would be telling you that the bears are having themselves a very solid weekend. So those are definitely going to be the two main levels, but it all revolves around that 9,300 mark and then the 86.50 mark. But like I said, if it is up above 9,300, at that point, it's just a question of, okay, well, how far up above it? And that'll give you a gauge of just how strong the weekend actually is. But yeah, right now, definitely a very interesting territory. So like I said, I'm jealous of those of you that are getting to watch this on Sunday, because you're going to have a much better idea of what actually happened here with 9,300. So let's see how the weekend plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.